Beautiful sunrise. Water out.
Kung may pa-sunset kahapon, pa-sunrise
Yeah. Beautiful sunrise. Grabe.
I will go a bit lower there on that valley there because we have some speed here. 23 kilometers. We are going out of our flight area if we stay here high up. But you have seen the sunrise now.
Yes. Ang liit na ng kotse. Nasaan?
1200.
So, yeah. Diyos ko po, Rode. Inay, ako'y nakarating na din eh, hindi kaya nasaan.
Layas yung anak ng inay.
Inay, kami hindi na alam kung saan pupunta. Diba? Kami nasa kaitaasan, ay kinaman.
Our speed at the moment is 16 kilometers per hour.
Wow,
You can't feel it because we are in the wind.
wow.
Wow!
Oh, thank you.
This is it.